Welcome to math. We are officially, as of last Wednesday, in Module 6. Yay! This is exciting because this is the last module of first grade. We today, well, no, don't get that book first. Wait a minute, hold on, my bad. Let me mess you up. That's not what you need first. My bad. No. We're going to warm up with a fluency activity like we always do. My favorite, our favorite, okay, my favorite, I think you like it too, you haven't complained, is we're going to do a sprint. It is on page 99 in your Starry Night book, the practice book, yellow trim, yellow number, page 99. And it looks exactly like this. And the directions read, to write the unknown number. Pay attention to the symbols. All right, now right now is where you're getting your book situated, you're getting your page, and you're waiting for me to say go. You're going to let that timer run down. You're going to work for just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. You're not trying to finish. Your goal is not to finish. Your goal is to do your best. If that means you answer 5 questions, okay, good. If you answer 10, 12 questions, great. Great. All of it's great. Are you trying? Are you working hard? And did you get them right? The ones you answered right. I'd rather you have 2 right answers than 30 wrong answers. No saying. Alright guys, so that should be enough time that you are now ready to go. Let me get our 60 seconds on the clock. Okay. On your mark, get set, go. Ding, 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 ding. All right, the bell did not chime, but this big red blaring time's up is here. We can see that, which means stop. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and check our work. Come on. All right, so let's go ahead and check our work. The directions to read. Write the unknown number. Pay attention to the symbols. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 3, 5, 9, 10, 3, 3. Top of column 2, question number 16, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, 3, 3, 9, 4, 5, 9, 7, 2, 9, 6, 3, 6, 6, 2. Alright guys, go ahead and write the number you have correct in the starburst, and let's zoom in a couple different spots. First, let's look at questions 4, 5, and 6. What's going on here? Correct. We are increasing by 1 each time. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. We are increasing by an additional 1. Okay. I see you. Let's look at 13, 14, and 15. What is happening here? They come from the same number bond. These are the 7 and 3 makes 10 number bond. Good job. Here's more addition. It's all addition. This has a missing hole, and these two are missing the part 3. Debating if I want to ask you another question. I do. 19, 22, and 25 all have the same what? Whole, correct. These are all ways to make 9. 5 and 4, 2 and 7, 3 and 6. Great work. Come on, guys, let's go finish our lesson. Come on. Great job on that sprint. Let's go ahead and continue with our application problem. Oh, no. Oh, yes. They are back because we're now in topic B. So that means we're not doing all word problems. Just a little word problems, yes. It is on page 9 in your Learn books, that Module 6 Learn book, blue trim, page number 9. And it reads, Tamara has 4 more goldfish than Peter. Peter has 10 goldfish. How many goldfish does Tamara have? Ooh, we are comparing values. So quick question, when we compare, does that mean we add, we're putting them together, or we subtract? We want to find the difference. We subtract, we're looking to find the difference. Good job. So I'm going to let you work that out for just a couple minutes, and I'm going to like slide out of your way after I take my note. Yeah. So again, I'll read it short. Tamara has 4 more goldfish than Peter. Peter has 10 goldfish. How many goldfish does Tamara have? Alright, so I worked this as, using the tape diagram model, I saw that Tamara has 4 more goldfish than Peter. Tamara has 4 more goldfish than Peter. And you know what, guys? If you said addition, I said subtraction, you were right. We did add. You were right, I was wrong. We are looking for the difference, but this is one of those instances where we were given the value of the person with the smaller amount. Usually we're given the value of the person with the larger amount, and we're looking for this space. So if you called it adding and I called it subtraction, you would have been right. You would have been right. We're using addition to compare. Ooh, I know, right? That is, but the answer is that Tamara has 14 goldfish. All right, y'all. We all learned something new today. Well, I learned something new, so you were right and I was wrong. So, yes, it's a good thing. It's a good thing. No, it's a good thing. Because I just learned something new, and that's great. So we're always trying to learn new things. Now, set that book aside. Don't close it because you're going to need the next page anyway. But let's talk about what we're doing today. And that is, so say we see the number 47. That's the number I'm showing you. Well, within that 47, it's actually 47. 47. That's what we're looking at today. Two-digit numbers and the values that exist with them. How many tens? How many ones? What's the value of these tens? What's the value of these ones? Because 4 tens is 40. So like for example, what is this? 6 tens and 4 ones. 6 tens has the value of 60. 6 tens is the value of 60. 60, so it's 64. So 64. 6 tens, 4 ones, 60 and 4. So let's go ahead and practice doing something together. We're going to do some first with picture examples. Now, if you'll remember, anytime we see things pictured like this, that means they're bundles. They're already bundled up. I don't need to, at the store, when I pick up this pack of markers, count them out and make sure it's 10. The assumption is once they've been grouped together, that there are, in fact, 10 of them. And that's the same way we're going to treat these pencils, these strawberries, and these cubes. We are not. We say we will not. We will not sit here and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're not doing that. No, we know that by clicking them together, that is in fact a group of 10. Now this is page 191. 191 in your red trim Succeed book. This is in your Succeed book, okay? All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to do some of these together with picture examples. We'll start with picture examples. So this first one, what's pictured here, we see boxes of pencils and loose pencils. Boxes of pencils and loose pencils. Now, how many boxes of pencils do I have? 5 boxes. So if there's 5 boxes, we are to believe and assume that each box is a group of 10, which means we have 5 10s. And how many loose unboxed pencils are there? 2. Good job. 2. So 52 is equal to 5 10s, 2 1s. 5 10s, 2 1s is what exists inside that visual. We see the number 52. All right, over here we're counting up strawberries. And am I going to sit here and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Am I going to do that? No, I'm going to treat each basket of strawberries as a group of 10. So how many baskets of strawberries do I have? 9 baskets. And these 9 baskets mean I have 9 10s. How many loose strawberries are there? How many loose strawberries are just sitting around? 8. Good job. There are 8 loose strawberries. So we have 9 10s, 8 1s. 9 10s, 8 1s. 9 10 8. 9 10 8. What is that? 9 10 8. That is how many? 98. There are 98 strawberries pictured here. Whoa! Whoa! 98! Where did that come from? Module 6. We are now in Module 6, which means we are going up to 100, guys. 40 is not the ceiling anymore. We're going all the way to 100. All right, so now we're going to transition from pencils and berries to cubes, because we want to treat the cubes the same way. We are not counting out the cubes. Say, we're not counting out the cubes. So let's count. Count by 10s. Count by 10s. Let's try counting by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So there's 90. That means there's 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10, 7 10, 8 10, 9 10. That means there are 9 10s. If it is 90, then there are 9 10s. And how many loose ones, loose cubes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 9 10s and 7 1s. 9 10 7. 9 10 7. Bring them together. Build a 2-digit number. 9 10 7. There are 97 cubes. There are 97 cubes. What about this one over here? What about this one over here? So we see 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10. 5 10s. And how many ones? 9. Good. And 9 ones. 5 10s and 9 ones. 5 10 9. 5 in the 10s place, 9 in the 1s place means there are how many cubes? 59. 59. There are 59 cubes. Good job. Okay, so we're almost ready. We're going to practice a little bit more. Only this time we're going to do it. Let me double check. Come on. Let me not get ahead ahead of myself. I got ahead of myself during the application problem. We see what that got me. I was wrong. Wrong. Okay, good. I'm right. So you're gonna flip that piece of paper over to the back. Flip it over to the back. We're gonna do a few examples without pictures. Ooh, oh no! What are we gonna do? You're gonna be alright. Let's go through some examples without pictures, okay? Some picture-free exampling. Alright, so like I said, this is the back side. This is the back side. I just want to switch colors because, so here we have a completed place value chart. This completed place value chart reads 4 tens and 9 ones. 4 tens and 9 ones is what number in standard form? Okay, well, let's write the digits next to each other. And we're going to say this is the tens place, and this is the ones place. What is 4 tens and 9 ones? 49. Excellent. What about 9 tens and 4 ones? What is 9 tens and 4 ones? Correct. It is 94. Well, I'm just going to go, 94. Is that correct? No, that's not, because you have to write it in the correct order to show the value. 9 tens and 4 ones. Because look at these two. Look at these two. It is the same digits, but by switching their places, you're not just moving things around. You're changing the value. Let me draw this. I want to draw this one for you because this is an area that sometimes people struggle. So let's draw 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 4 tens and 9 ones. This is 9 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens, and 4 ones. Which one is bigger? Which one has a greater value? 4 tens and 9 ones or 9 tens and 4 ones? 9 tens and 4 ones. Excellent. Good. This one is bigger. That's way bigger. That's way bigger. Okay, good. Let's keep going. So down here, we're given the number, and we have to break it apart into tens and ones. The number 65. 65. How many tens are in the number 65? 6 tens. Good. And what is the value of 6 tens? What is the value of 6 tens? 60. Yes. So 6 tens is 60 and 5 ones is 5. 65. 6, 10, 5. And my last one here is 60. So if I have 60, that means I have 6 tens. Can I leave the ones place blank? No, because in order to have these 6 tens, let me see if I have 6 tens. Hold on. Y'all gonna have me here making messes again. Oh, here we go. I get to make messes. So in order to have 6 tens, I had to bundle them up. So within 6 tens, all of these ones are there, which means if I'm writing that I have 6 tens, all that's saying is that I've made all my bundles and I have no loose ones sitting around. They're already grouped up together, which means I need to indicate 0 in the ones place to show that all my loose pieces, you see how long it takes? Yeah, do you really want to count these by ones? No, we want to count by groups of 10. We want to count by groups of 10. Counting me by the ones would be obscene. Look at this, look at this. I'm still, now I have 60 loose ones, but what happened when I put them all together was I was saying, look, all my pieces are bundled. They're all grouped up. I still have to indicate that there are no loose ones because they're already bundled up. They're already grouped together. Now y'all know I gotta clean up this mess I just made, right? I hope the examples help. Y'all gotta let me know. If I'm wasting my time, I will stop dropping everything on the floor. Because now the expectation is that you're ready to work and do some of this on your own. That you are ready to work and do some of this on your own by completing your problem set, which is in your Learn book on page number 11. The front is 11, the back is 12. It's page 11 and 12, and you're going to do more of exactly what we just did with pictures, with cubes, and with straight numbers and place value charts. You're going to then return to your return to the Nearpod to complete and submit your exit ticket, which has been split into 3? Definitely 2. I think 3. 2 or 3 draw it slides so that you have room to work and write out your solution. But guys, that's all I have for you. I'm trying to not step on the mess I made because now I need to pick up 60 cubes and make 6 tens again. I don't know what I was thinking. But guys, I'll see you later. Bye.